Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your RAM 1500 key fob. First, you need to figure out if your key fob simply needs a new battery or if it requires a complete reset. Many times, a non-responsive fob just has a dead battery. If that's the case, replace the old battery with a fresh CR2032 coin cell. After installing the new battery, test the key fob to see if it now works correctly. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, you might need to manually program your key fob. Start by getting into your RAM 1500 and making sure all the doors are completely closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. While the ignition is on, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for 10 seconds. For some RAM models, an alternative programming sequence may be necessary. Turn the ignition off, then back to the on position, repeating this cycle 3 times. After the third turn, quickly press any button on your key fob within 10 seconds. This should signal the vehicle to recognize the fob. If you continue to experience problems, it's best to consult your owner's manual or contact a certified dealership for assistance. Once you've completed the programming steps, it's crucial to test your key fob thoroughly. Check all its functions, including locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure everything works as expected. Make sure your RAM 1500 responds consistently to every command. If you're looking for other great products, remember to check the description below for links to deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.